welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be replacing the vacuum turbo solenoid valve on a VW Luton van. This will also be the same on a transporter as well, and all you have to do is located right here with two 10mm nuts, and all you have to do is put, there's a catch underneath. If you see, if you pull that catch there towards you, or get a flat bladed screwdriver and go in underneath and press down, you'll release the catch that way as well, because it can be a bit tricky. And yeah, that just comes straight off. Pull your pipes off. I have already loosened the nuts, I think. No, I ain't. Just undoing by hand. That's one. Yeah, one's a bit tighter. That's two. And there you go, you just pull straight off. I'll get my other part, which is this one, and as you can see, just goes straight back on the same way. Get my screws, get one started. The other screw, nut, sorry. On. Get your power lead, plug it in, put your pipe on that one, pipe on this one. And there you go, guys, and that's all it is to replacing your turbo valve solenoid on a VW transporter van. If it's helped you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for future videos, and until next time, I'll catch you in another one.